So this is a Moomin Abloy lock. I got this given to me as a gift a while back, and I don't really like messing about with it, but today we're going to pick it. I'm going to be using my tool to do so. This is called the Ableater tool. Comes from Abloy. Let's get going. So what I'm doing here is I'm just running up through the pack, putting everything into a gate or another. It's a 0. Front one's a 0 on padlocks at least. Not the case on cam locks. Bloody hell, that was quick. There we go. Picked. You can't actually take this lock apart, so I'm afraid there's no gutting. But just because that was a little quick, I'm going to get the key out and show it working. Maybe pick it again. So you can see it's locked. Yeah, open, locked. Let's put the key away because we don't want to know what the bitting is. I think this lock doesn't have the full 11 disc complement that you get with a lot of Abloy Classics. That's what I'll do, is I'll count them in a minute. So let's pick it again. This time I'll start from the front, I guess. That's 1 disc. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you got the one I'm tensioning off as well, so that's 9 discs that I count in here. Yeah, the feedback's really nice, so I tend to find that on newer locks they're actually easier to pick than older locks. The feedback is very binary from the false gates. It's either right or wrong. There's not really any ambiguity, whereas on the older ones that seem to have worn a little, things tend to be a little more difficult to decode. It's putting up a bit more of a fight this time anyway. That's wrong, that's stiff. There we go, picked again. There we go. That's the Moomin lock.